The shaded region of the graph represents the solution to which system of inequalities? Well, looking at our graph, notice that we have a dashed line and a solid line. The dashed line is represented by a greater than or a less than sign, and our solid line is represented by a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to sign, so that one of our signs contains an equal sign and the other one does not. With this information, we can eliminate answer choices B and C, since in B, both have the equal sign, and in C, neither have the equal sign. So now we only have to compare A and D. And when you're looking at the second inequality, 3x plus y is less than or equal to 11. That is the same for both, so we need only look at the first inequality. Let's take the first inequality in answer choice A and solve for y. Subtracting a 7x from both sides, we get negative y is greater than negative 7x plus 6. Dividing both sides by a negative 1, we get y. Switching our signs because we divided by negative, so we get y is less than 7x minus 6. So this correlates with a dashed line, shading below, a slope of 7, and a y-intercept of negative 6. We have a dashed line, but we have shading above, so this is not correct. So let's take a look at the inequality for answer choice D. That inequality is 7x minus y is less than 6. Solving for y, we get negative y is less than negative 7x plus 6. Dividing the whole thing by negative 1, we get y. Again, switching our sign, is greater than 7x minus 6. Here we get a dashed line, shading above, a slope of 7, and a y-intercept of negative 6. Here we have a dashed line, shading above, a slope of 7, and a y-intercept of negative 6. So the correct answer is answer choice D.